Hello guys, so what we are going to do today, we're going to make a trading robot based on this Ichimoku, and mind you, we are using the Rev, and then I'll put the link to the Rev below so that you can get this robot and start using it. So we're gonna test it on the step index, 5 minutes time frame. Reason being, the volatility indexes, they have longer wicks, so sometimes people, they have small accounts and they cannot survive those weeks. So without wasting any time, we're going to use the standard one. We're just testing the standard indicator for now. In the next coming videos, we are going to optimize and use multiple indicators, so stay tuned and subscribe. This is the FX detective speaking, so let's get started. We're gonna come this side. When there's no position, we're gonna check for buy trades, and then if we check here, we're going to go to the Ichimoku, and then there's a Tang Sen and there's a King Jung Seng. So if you check this so-called span B in a line, mostly it's useless, we don't really have to use it. So let's check here which one is the Tang Sen. If you check the blue one, when it crosses below, mostly it's supposed to be a buy trade, and the red one here is the Tang Seng. So when the Tang Seng crosses above the blue, the Tang Seng crosses above the Kung Seng line, then we are going to do our buy. And remember guys, I'm gonna keep on repeating this. I mostly use the trailing stop loss to make sure we maximize profit so that we don't rob ourselves. So if the direction is right, we take all the profit. Here we do the opposite, and then we are good to go. We're just using standard ones guys, so don't mind everything else. We're just using the standard one. The lot size is set. So if we come this side, we check, then we put it here, and then we go to this. Let's slow down. Okay, let's start this so that people see what happened. Let's slow down. Okay, this is that line, it's coming along. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. They crossed here, so we bought, and the trailing stop was following. So this was the wrong direction. If you check, it kept on going down. So now it crossed again here as a sell signal, and look at what happened guys. We are still in loss, but then our stop loss is back there. So once we go to $1 profit, the stop loss will trade. So if we doesn't, it's going to be a loss. If you check, that's what happens. We're just using a standard indicator, nothing more, nothing less. So let's see how it goes. It's about to cross for a sell. There it did. So if you check, now we're in profit and we're trailing our profit. So if you check, almost the whole movement was caught. So this is what happens guys. That's what happens. That's how it works. There's our buy trade, our stop loss is trailing, and voila, we're catching the whole movement almost. So the count is already recovering. So this is how it's gonna work. We're trailing using the parabolic RSA. So if you check now here, it crossed for a sell, and then we are almost late to trade. That's almost a break even. So we're gonna keep on getting fake signals because it's the standard what do you call digits. So I'm gonna optimize it and put it on the next video after optimization. So subscribe and go to the next video to see what happens when we optimize this Ichimoku. Guys, this is how it behaves. Let me make fast forward and see how it would have behaved. The account is not blowing. That's a good thing. There's hope. Okay, account blue. So if we come here, we check the backtest results on the win rate. It's 45 and 40%. but then we have this issue here. So always think about this on strategies. If the loss is bigger than the average profit, the average loss is bigger than the average profit, you will never be profitable. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and go to the next video after it is optimized and see how it behaves. Remember, we are optimizing a standalone indicator. Together, these indicators, when they work as a force, they make a huge difference. They can start winning in a miraculous way. So without further ado, is the FX detective. Peace.